A lot of Americans are moving to Da Nang, Vietnam. But not only Americans, Canadians, people from the UK, Germany, Australia, and so on and so forth. A lot of them are moving to Da Nang, Vietnam. Why is that? Well, there are mainly 5 reasons, and I've been here for a little over a month. I interacted with some people, and there are mainly 5 reasons why Americans, and as I said, not only Americans, but everyone else is moving to Da Nang, Vietnam. And I have the reasons over here on my computer, and that is why I'm looking down. So let's get right into them. And number 1, it's great food and coffee culture. I'm not that much of a coffee drinker. Actually, I don't drink coffee. I probably had 2 coffees in the past 10 years. It's not because I don't like coffee. I do like coffee, but I just don't want to get addicted. However, once I came here, and even a little before I came here, I realized how much Vietnam is very recognized for their coffees. I haven't tried them yet, but trust me, everyone is saying that they're great, and I will try them. There's like coconut coffee, egg coffee, I think. There's a whole lot of like salt coffee I've seen, or white coffee also. A whole lot of coffee types here, and they are apparently extremely delicious and great, and people seem to love them very much. And as you know, most people drink coffee. This, alongside with the great food, is one of the reasons why people want to live here, right? Food, I have tried it. It's absolutely amazing and delicious. This is actually one of the reasons, believe it or not, why I came here. Now, I'm only gonna spend a few months here, but this is one of the reasons why I wanted to come to Vietnam, because of the food, because of pho specifically. It's their traditional soup. It's absolutely amazing. I've been here for a little over a month now, and I've been eating pho every single day, believe it or not, sometimes twice a day. It's that good. To be honest, at this point I'm a little tired of it. I came in Vietnam extremely excited about this. I probably have exaggerated, but it's that good. It's that good. However, besides pho, obviously there's other dishes. It's very, food here is very good. It's very good. And I had a talk with an American actually on the plane, and he was saying that he actually probably prefers Thai food because Vietnamese food, it has a lot of meat. To be honest, my experience is different, except from the pho. Whenever you order something, I don't remember the name of the food, but I ordered some. There was some meat on some sticks, so there was 4 sticks, but they give me like a huge bowl of salad, alongside with some shredded carrots, and I don't know what was the other one, zucchini, I guess. So, and when I finished the salad, they refilled it, right? So, honestly, I think it's more based on fruits and vegetables than it is based on meat, to be honest, right? And the food here, except for whatever it is fried, of course, but in general, like the food here is extremely healthy. I'm gonna be honest with you, and I think this shows because really, unlike in my country and other countries, I gotta be honest with you. you know, people, I haven't really seen people who are overweight here or underweight also, to be honest, right? So I think it reflects the fact that the diet is healthy. Now, I'm not an expert or anything like that. I do think I know one thing or two about food and stuff like that. But yeah, that's my thought. That's my take. But food and coffee, that's one of the things. Second, it's a very developed city, Da Nang, which is still developing, with plenty of options, right, in terms of like supermarkets, malls, everything of that nature, fast internet. It's also a great hub for digital nomads. So the fact that it's a developed city and it's a city that still develops, this is one of the other reasons why Americans are coming to Da Nang, Vietnam. Third reason, and this is one of my favorites, to be honest, it's the beach. The beach here is absolutely amazing, right? It's clean. It's clean. That's big for me. It's clean. The water on shore, it's clean as well. It has waves, right? And that's the thing which I like. So honestly, the beach and the water here are just amazing. Like when I'm looking from my rooftop, the way the sea looks is just, it's stunning. It's stunning. It's beautiful. And I'm sad I don't have actually a recording, or I think you can actually find some footage in the video called From Kuala Lumpur to Da Nang. You'll definitely see some footage with the sea from the rooftop. It's absolutely beautiful. However, one thing I don't like about the beach, because now that we are here, I actually need to tell you this, is the fact that man, like, the waves here are dangerous, okay? And getting into the sea sometimes is dangerous because it's very weird. You walk, and still water doesn't even pass your knees, and you're deep into the sea, and then maybe suddenly it's just to your waist. As one of the things. The other thing which I think is very dangerous is the fact that it has like the waves is not normal waves. It's not like going back and forth, like I'm used to from the other places I've been to. Like they go on the side as well. So it's like waves back and forth, but on the side as well sometimes. And the thing about this is there's a lot of lifeguards on the beach. And man, this is frustrating. Most of the time when I was on the beach, I was unable to get into the water. Of course, there are some dedicated places, but very few where you can get into the water, and they're like very crowded with people because it's just such a small space to get into the water. But anyways, like there's a lot of lifeguards, and they won't let you into the water. They won't let you step into the water. So that's one of the things, to be honest, that I don't like. I quite hate it. It just like, I don't hate them. I just hate the situation, right? It's like because of the waves, then there's the lifeguards. They don't let you into the water. It's pretty annoying. But yeah, there are those places where you can still get into the water. And it's not like this every day. It's almost every day, but not every day. And there are some places where you can go actually, and there's no lifeguards, but that's on your own risk. So I'm not going to talk about that too much. But the beach is amazing. The beach is amazing. The only downside about it is this: a lot of lifeguards that won't let you go into the water. Fourth thing, it's actually a very strategic location for travel. I have not realized that until I was searching for flight tickets. Of course, it's the center of Vietnam, but Da Nang has an international airport, and it's not much outside of the city. I don't know how much it took me. I don't remember how long it took me to get from the airport to here, but I paid a little less than $5 to get from the airport to where I live, right near the beach. And I got a car. If I would have gotten a bike, I would have probably paid half, probably $2.50 or something like that. So it was maybe, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes or something like that, which is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing, right? It's not many places like that, to be honest, where you can go into the like the best place of the city, the best spots of the city in just 15 minutes from the airport, and you cannot hear the airplanes from here. So that's amazing. That's amazing. And it is an international airport, as I said. I came directly from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. They have flights from here, from Da Nang to Bangkok, and other large cities in Southeast Asia and in Asia as well. So yeah, it's very good from this point of view as well. And number five is the one that is probably the most important one, to be honest with you. It's the affordable cost of living, right? So many people that come to Da Nang, especially those that come to stay for a longer period of time, even though I'm not going to be here for years, I am here for a few months, and this was one of the reasons for me as well. Affordable cost of living. I'm paying for the apartment where I stay right now a little over $200 per month. My expenses for this apartment were $34 for a month, including electricity. Internet is included. It's free, but yeah, electricity, internet, cable, TV, water, the service fee. I have a lady that comes and cleans my apartment once per week. Da Nang is pretty affordable, and this is definitely one of the main reasons Americans are moving to Da Nang, and Americans are coming to Da Nang. And again, not just Americans, but everyone else. But one thing I do want to say about this is that I do like that it is affordable, and I am considering probably returning back, or at least definitely coming back to Vietnam. I'm considering that. There's so many places to see on this planet, right? But as long as prices stay affordable, okay? They can increase with inflation over time and so on, but they're not overinflated because of people on YouTube, just like me, saying how affordable Da Nang and Vietnam is. I'm gonna come back. But if prices are overinflated, I'm not gonna come back. This is one of the reasons why actually I started traveling to Southeast Asia, because it's more affordable than me being back home. And if a country suddenly becomes much more expensive than it used to be, or a place or a city, I'm not gonna go there, because this is one of my main reasons why I'm going there in the first place. Okay? So I do want to be able to work online and come in a place like this, enjoy it. I'm gonna spend my money here, and want to be able to also save as well. And as long as prices stay the same or stay similar, I'm willing to come back and spend my money in the country of Vietnam. But yeah, these are the 5 main reasons that I found from speaking with some people, and actually for myself, some of them, especially the one with the prices and the food. These are the 5 main reasons why Americans and other people are coming to Da Nang, Vietnam, coming here to stay, or coming, long term or mid term. And honestly, I think it's a great place. And if you're thinking about it, I think you should give it a try. Also, if you're interested in making money online, this is my shameless plug. I can help you with that. I am making money while traveling. I'm not just traveling. I did not take a gap year. I'm not here on my savings. I'm actually making money and able to save some money as well while traveling. So if you're interested about that, to make your travels sustainable, then shoot me an email and let's talk. I can teach you what I know. I've taught others in the past. I can do the same with you. Anyways, I hope this video was an inspiration for you. If it was, give it a like and see you in the next one.